Model, 59-plate Renault Master MM35 2.5dCi camper conversion starts drives needs injector replacing. Body, yellow, camper. Mileage, 155,500. Engine, 2464 cc UDC 1G6 120th bhp. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs fine, needs injector number 1 and number 2 injectors replacing as they have corroded and leaking fuel, gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Still drives and pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Features, 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.